Thanks for choosing Prwatech for AWS course. Thinking what is Amazon Web Services? Amazon Web Services is an Amazon.com subsidiary which offers cloud computing services at very affordable rates, therefore making its customer base strong from small-scale companies like Pinterest to big enterprises like D-Link. Amazon Web Services offers a wide range of different business-purpose global cloud-based products. The products include storage, databases, analytics, networking, mobile, development tools, enterprise applications, with a pay-as-you-go pricing model. Amazon Web Services finds its application in website hosting, media sharing, images or videos, storage, backup, and disaster recovery, etc. Companies using Amazon Web Services are Pinterest, Netflix, Dropbox, Adobe, etc. Amazon Web Services remains Amazon's fastest growing segment. The average salary of an AWS solutions architect is 7.3 lakh per annum in India and $122,000 per annum in USA. In terms of service, we are providing technical support. After this session, if you have any doubts or queries, no need to wait for the next session, just contact the technical support team and we will give the support through webinar. We are helping with LMS as well. Whichever session you take will be recorded, so that you will get a fair chance when you miss the session or you want to revise, you can use the LMS service. So these are the services we provide, which will help you to get skilled. Wish you very happy learning. If you have any queries, contact us.